complete checklist for smooth student loan consolidation. Student loan consolidation stands as a promising solution for many burdened with multiple loans, aiming to streamline payments and potentially reduce overall financial stress. The process involves combining several loans into a single one, simplifying the payment structure and potentially offering reduced monthly payments or interest rates. For anyone considering this option, having a systematic approach is crucial. Here's a comprehensive checklist to guide you through the consolidation process seamlessly. Understanding your loan status. The initial step involves understanding the landscape of your existing loans. Review your accounts, contact service providers, or explore online loan documents. This thorough examination helps you gather information on each existing loan. Calculating your current and projected payments. Calculate your current monthly payments by tallying up all your existing loan payments. Once done, utilize available online calculators or reach out to the Direct Loan Consolidation Center at 1-800-557-7392 to determine the projected monthly payment after consolidation. This step allows for a clear comparison between your existing payments and the anticipated consolidated payment. Pondering important questions. The decision to consolidate involves several crucial inquiries. Consider how much your payment will decrease and the duration of the new payment schedule. Understanding these aspects is vital in making an informed choice. Financial reevaluation. Evaluate your budget and income situation concerning the impact of consolidation. Understanding how it would influence your financial scenario is pivotal in making an informed decision. Comparing payment plans. While consolidation might seem appealing, it's essential to compare the proposed new payment plan with other available options. You retain the right to explore various payment options, which might achieve the same objectives at a lower cost. Decision making. After thorough consideration and analysis, decide whether consolidation aligns with your financial goals. If affirmative, proceed with the process. Form completion. Consolidating your loans is a relatively straightforward process that involves filling out a form. The Consolidation Center can assist with any queries or concerns regarding the consolidation process. Forbearance or deferment consideration. While awaiting consolidation completion, contemplate placing your current loan payments on hold through forbearance or deferment. This temporary measure can offer financial relief during the consolidation process. Verification and validation. Upon receiving new paperwork, ensure all information, loan amounts, payment details, and terms are accurate. Any discrepancies should be rectified promptly. Confirmation of loan payoff. Lastly, confirm that your old loans are paid off in full as supposed by the consolidation. It's crucial to verify that the consolidation process effectively clears your previous debts. Conclusion. In conclusion, student loan consolidation holds the potential to ease the burden of multiple loans by creating a more manageable repayment structure. However, the decision to consolidate should be made after thorough contemplation and analysis. This comprehensive checklist offers a step-by-step guide to aid in making an informed and confident decision about consolidating your student loans.